So when you're using it, wind it all the way up until you feel it firm up the top.
This is the antenna.
And then to move it, to get your reception, just pull the ring down, turn it in the right direction. When you're finished, bring the arrows back together and it will make sure that it's in the right direction for when you wind it back down.
Yeah. So we probably won't use that very often because we have
You've got the
satellite.
satellite, yeah.
But it's good to have it as a backup.
Just till it's firm.
That's for your roof antenna. If you press that button and you're on, what does it say? Is it scan?
Scan, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you've then got a number up here, and if you're using your roof antenna, when you spin that around, that number's going to change. The higher the number, the stronger the TV signal.
So what do you consider a good number to be then?
It varies so much
Oh,
from
okay.
place to place.
Thank you.
If I press this button again, I'm going to go down to gain. Is that gain? Can't see from the side.
No. Yeah. Yeah.
And then you've got a number down here, which I think is 10.
Yep.
So that's a booster for the TV signal. So it'll go anywhere from 0 to 20. If you're a long way from the transmission towers, you'd have it higher, so you've got a better chance of getting quality signal out of it.
So does that work?
I've seen it the opposite way, where somebody was really close to a transmission tower, and because it was set at 10, when they actually tuned the TV in, they got one channel. When they knocked that down to just 1 or 2, they picked up 36 channels, because it was like the signal was screaming at the TV and the TV was just scrambling it. Now, so it's a good system for when you get to a caravan park. You can just have a look and see which way everyone else has got their antenna facing. That's a good start. You can use that then and spin it round to get the highest number. These days you can also have a look at, I think there's an app now called DTV Antennas, and if you use that, it'll work out where you are and give you a bit of a guide as to which way to aim that as well.
So does that, when that's on, is that working for both TVs, is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay.
Yep, so it's just the one.
So even though it's behind that television, it's for
It's
both.
for the whole. Yep.
So that needs
So I
to
think
be
there's an
on
output
for
outside
that
as
to
well.
work.
So once you've used it in about a minute or so, that'll go to sleep.
Yep.
That's normal. It doesn't need to stay on. It just comes to light when you actually push the button. You change the settings. There is one more setting on it. If I press this and go to park cable,
Yep.
on the side there is a plug for a signal coming in, and if you're going to have it on that, you need to have that set to park cable.
Right. And that's for if you're on a site that has a antenna that you
antenna
can plug
connection.
into. Yep.
Yep.
All right. So that definitely needs to be on for that to go up. Well, for that to operate.
Yep, so that's going to be related to that.
Yeah.